Hi George, welcome back to your English classes. So today is Tuesday, February 18, 2021, and we're going to talk about what is our favorite food. For example, how do we express our likes and dislikes? To express that we adore something, we use the verb like. The thing that plus the thing that we adore. For example, we have I like pizza, you like video games, she likes hot dogs, he likes the English class, and we like to play games. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you some questions and you're going to tell me what do you prefer or what do you adore more. Okay, for example, what do you like more, salads or soups? I like soup better than salad. So I like soup. What do you like? Do you like spaghetti or do you like French fries? I like spaghetti. What do you like? What do you like? Do you like pizza or do you like hamburgers? I like hamburgers. What about you? So, what do you like? Do you like tacos de asada or quesadilla? I like tacos. What about you? What do you like? Do you like boneless or do you like sushi? I like sushi. What about you? What do you like? Do you like cake or do you like ice cream? I like ice cream. Tell me, what do you like? And lastly, what do you like? Do you like lemonade or do you like juice? I like lemonade. Tell me, what about you? Do you like juice or do you like lemonade? Okay, so that's it. I only want you to hear about how do we express our likes and dislikes. Try to practice it, saying I like Mario, I like Kid Flash, I like Flash, and I like Sonic, something like that. Something that you like, something that you adore. Okay? So thank you for watching the video, George. See you on Monday, and have a nice weekend.